what's up everybody? It's Dusty coming back to you from the 110 Rod Shop. Today we're going to be doing a really awesome build for our buddy Parco. Parco's an awesome customer and a friend. We've done a lot of great builds with him. He gives us a lot of freedom. Gives me a lot of freedom to do what I want to do on these cars as far as design, stance, wheels, things of that nature. This kit he did ship to me. It's a Tamiya TT02 gt4 Mustang. These are pretty popular kits. If you follow me on Instagram at 110 Rod Shop, you'll see the one that I did recently. It's green. It's pretty awesome. I did custom 3D printed headlights, magnetic body mounts, wings, all kinds of cool stuff, and a really trick paint job. Some really cool LED lighting. So check us out at 110 Rod Shop on Instagram. So about this kit, it's been around forever. There's probably a million builds of these on YouTube. I've seen some really clean builds of these on Instagram. We wanted to give it a try. Like I said, we already did once. This one's gonna look even better. We do got some cool wheels that we're gonna get, that we got a choice from. I told Parco that I wanted to go with like a gold wheel or bronzish wheel. So we've got some different MST wheels here. Now these wheels are the ones that have the interchangeable offsets. Basically we've got a couple different styles. These two are the same style. One has chrome lip, this one has a satin lip. These are a little bit different of a spoked wheel. These have a satin lip as well. I'm probably gonna go with the satin lip because I know what color I want to paint this, but you're just gonna have to keep watching our videos. Like, subscribe, share. I really want to get our subscribers up. We've been doing really awesome lately. Thank you for everybody that tuned in for the Jeffrey's Lowrider videos. I'm really excited about where we're going with this. It's only been a few months so far, but we're on our course to do something really awesome with the RC world and scale and everything about it. So let's get to this build. Let's see what we can tear up. Thanks. well that's it. We got through most of the chassis. There's still a little bit of things that I have to do, like mounting the steering servo and getting the steering servo horns and all that kind of stuff in. I did get some of these aluminum bits for the hop-up parts for the Tamiya. We're going to be 3D printing our body mounts, so there's no need to put any of the body posts or any of that kind of stuff on. I did go ahead and cut the wheel arches out of the body for now. There's going to be a lot of masking on this body as we're going to be doing some cool custom paint work on it. All that's going to be coming in another video here soon. But as for this video right now, we're going to wrap it up. We are going to go with the BBS wheels right now with the powder or the satin finished. But this bad boy ought to look pretty good. I'm excited to get this build halfway done at least, and get on with the custom paint work and everything else. So like, subscribe, share. Stay tuned. Keep checking back. I'm gonna get these videos out as fast as I can. Got lots of cool builds. You can still see them behind me. Other builds going on. I'm gonna be doing some more chrome on the 55 Bel Air here soon. So keep watching for that. Got some really cool airbrush stuff with the Molotov pins or whatever they are, the Molotov pins. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Appreciate it.